What's going on, guys? Elijah Porter here. Welcome back to the channel. We are here today at the first Supercar Saturdays Florida of 2022. There are hundreds of awesome cars here. Let's go check them out. Let's actually. So we're about to leave Supercar Saturday now, and unfortunately I didn't really get to talk a lot while we were there, just because the microphone I got for Christmas, I got like a wireless mic finally, and it just wasn't pairing up for some reason. So unfortunately I couldn't really talk a lot while we were there. Maybe I'll have voiced over some stuff. You guys will obviously know that because you'll have already seen it. But it was definitely the biggest Supercar Saturday that I've ever been to. Hundreds and hundreds of cars. More cars than I've ever seen there. A lot of new cars. Usually I kind of see the same stuff every month, but there was a ton of new stuff that I hadn't seen before, so that was nice and refreshing. Probably more spectators, people there than I've ever seen before. They really promote it a lot. They put like stuff on the news about it and stuff, so I think it's going to get bigger and bigger as the year goes on. But thank you guys for joining me on my first video of the year. I really hope you enjoyed it. For everybody who has already subscribed, thank you so much for getting me to 300 subscribers by the end of the year. That, of course, was my year-end goal, and I beat it by like 20 subs, so that's awesome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It really means a lot to me. It really helps out my channel a lot. My new goal is to get to 500 subscribers by like May or June, by the summer basically. I would like to be at 500. So if you like this content, you like supercars, you like motorcycles, that kind of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Like I said, it would mean a lot to me. And until next time, I will see you guys later.